So in this SwagBucks tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to redeem SwagBucks for gift cards here on SwagBucks. So once SwagBucks is opened up, I want you to go ahead here and just go to the bottom right and press on the More icon. Once you're here, on this case, I'm on the Redeem SB. So go to the top left here where it says Redeem SB or Redeem SwagBucks. Go ahead, press that. And now when you're on this screen, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different ways you guys can redeem SwagBucks into gift cards. So for example, if you have, I don't know, 1,000 SwagBucks and you wanted to cash that in for a $10 Amazon gift card, you would just go ahead and just slide down here, press on Amazon, but there's other, there's Walmart, Starbucks, etc. You can go ahead and select whatever you're looking for. If I were to go ahead and press Amazon right here, you can go ahead and submit this in order to get a gift card here on SwagBucks. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to redeem SwagBucks for a gift card here on SwagBucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.